Tonight, links between the measles outbreak in the U.S. and Israel. An El Al flight attendant with complications from the measles is in intensive care at a Tel Aviv hospital. The 43-year-old woman is in a deep coma, fighting for her life since she was hospitalized at the end of last month. Israeli officials saying there was a passenger with measles on a March 26 flight from New York's JFK to Israel.
There is a misconception out there that measles is a trivial and inconsequential disease. Some of those complications can be very serious, like we're seeing with this flight attendant.
Health officials reportedly do not think she spread the virus to any passengers. Back in this country, just outside Detroit, Oakland County officials say an Orthodox Jewish man from Israel is the source of at least 40 cases there. Blood tests show he had the same strain of the measles that has plagued New York City.
Vaccines are safe and they are critical, not just for public health, but for the health of the people who they love most.
New York's Board of Health today extending the mandatory vaccination order in 4 Brooklyn zip codes until the...
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.